Connection and musicality.
Week 4, I'm Stacia, that's Peter.
We did a little bit of review just saying, hey, can you hear this phrasing structure? You kind of could, you kind of danced to it. We did some blues, we did some A, B, A. Just remember, you got to get the ears open first, so don't worry if you can't be totally expressive right away. That will come with some time and really exposure. Get yourself, listen to that music a lot if you want to get a little better at it. After a while, it's just like taking a walk home. You could look at your iPhone the whole time. You know the turns, you know which way to go. It's going to get comfortable eventually. Then we did the return to the sugar push. Ba, ba, ba. Oh my gosh, you guys. But you did it really well. And remember, the whole thesis of this month is move this, you lazy bastards. Don't just move this. And it was really good. People really started moving that. It's tricky at a sugar push. So we had leaders come back here and not punish their followers for coming in, but rather accept and thank their followers for coming in and then smooth back out. So when we do a real sugar push, like this, and it's like less movement than you think, leaders. It's really the contrast between your movement, and then we try to take that after much work and success into the swing out, where followers, you don't just come charging forward because it doesn't feel like much. You hang out there for a long time. There's contrast. That's where the connection comes from. And then I don't have to go so far. My followers going far. That contrast between our movement makes a lot of the feeling. And we just talked to individuals, and you had to be there, and it did really nice, and y'all good, and things are great, and that was it.